Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cecily and welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is going to be super veggie turkey meatballs. These are so delicious, simple, healthy, and full of lots of yummy ingredients. For the ingredients, you're going to need 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 poblano chili, 1 egg, kale, brown mushrooms, chopped or shredded carrots. I'm using shredded here. And then you're going to use powderized oatmeal. I just took a half a cup of whole oats and threw them in the blender and pulsed them until it became this powder consistency. We're going to use this instead of breadcrumbs. Next, you're going to finely dice all of your vegetables. There is no precise measurement for this recipe, but I am going to use half of that red onion and half of that poblano chili. And for the carrots, I do suggest you chop those super fine. I already have mine shredded. I'm just going to run my knife through them just to make them a little bit smaller. But make sure that you get a fine dice on those carrots. For the poblano chili, you can roast this first and then peel and then chop. However, I don't mind the crunch of the fresh chili in the meatballs. If you do not like this or you cannot find it, bell pepper would also be a great option. And you guys can use any kind of veggies that you like. These are the ones that I always keep on hand. And this is a really great way to use up all the veggies that you have in your fridge. Once you add everything to your bowl, you're going to start your seasonings. I'm using this 21 Salute seasoning from Trader Joe's. Also, another ingredient I forgot to add and show in this video is you'll want to use a tablespoon of chicken bouillon or vegetable bouillon. That is going to give these meatballs an extra depth of flavor. If you do not have it, you can leave it out, but I do recommend adding that in here. Once all the ingredients are well combined, we can start forming the meatballs. I'm using a medium cookie scoop. These are super useful and helpful for this recipe so you can achieve evenly formed meatballs. Just like this, you're going to roll them in between your hands and there you go. Nice and even. So we're going to get these all rolled out and then we can start cooking them. Okay, next heat your pan to a medium-high heat and add in a few tablespoons of olive oil, and then you can add your meatballs. These are going to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure that you turn them around so they are evenly cooked and brown on all sides. To serve with the meatballs, I paired creamy pesto zucchini noodles. Very easy to make. If you would like to see a video on this recipe, let me know in the comments and I will be glad to share. I'm excited for you all to try this recipe. Please feel free to switch things up and use any kind of veggie that you like. Here is the finished dish. This is an easy, delicious, healthy recipe. I hope you guys give a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video.